Crockpot meal today. It's going to be Salsa Verde chicken, and it's really, really simple. You need to go ahead and either line or spray your Crockpot. Go ahead and have it on high. I'm using 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We need to use some Salsa Verde, so we need about 2 cups worth. Put a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and put this whole jar because it's not much left. And my family likes it. Okay. And that was that's a 24-ounce jar. Here's the label in case you want to see what it looks like. Okay. It's a really simple recipe. So it doesn't seem like it's going to take much to get dinner on the table tonight. 2 garlic cloves minced. I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of garlic. A teaspoon of salt. And I'm using kosher. Teaspoon of cumin. A half a teaspoon of pepper. And a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Now, I like paprika, so I'm going to do a heaping. 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, that's it. I'll see you back here in about 4 to 6 hours. Okay, y'all, so it's the end of the day, and this is what the Salsa Verde chicken ends up looking like. Of course, I went through with a fork and loosened up all the chicken pieces, kind of shredded it a little bit. And if you let it cook all the way through, it's gonna easily do that. So you have a little bit of juice, and you have the chicken. You see the juice? So what I do is I make a bed of rice. Okay, and then put the chicken on it. You can probably do mashed potatoes or something too, but I think rice is the best choice with this. And you can leave it like that, or you can add some shredded cheddar and a dollop of sour cream, if I can get it off the spoon. Okay, and then it would look really good. I should have picked up some green onions to sprinkle over the top. That would look really good too. But it's just an easy Crockpot meal, and it really didn't take all day, especially if you use chicken that's not got bones in it. Okay, y'all. See y'all next time.